And we got a fountain. I think it's 1850. A fountain that his ancestors carved out. So we're building that here so the water will come out of the fountain. Actually, the old pump, the wooden pump.
With artistic landscaping, we'll bring your beautiful dreams to life.
Right now Brian's on the route on the highway. We came the back way. Want to make sure everything is good, hunky-dory. Got a couple dump trailer here full of berm soil, which I'm quite happy about. We're going to grade all that shortly. Got a bunch of decorative rocks placed as well, so I'm quite pleased with that. And we also got the gas-powered sod cutter here and the gas-powered edger, so we can make a nice edge to those beds over there.